Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to do a mac and cheese. Everyone like mac and cheese. I'm going to show you my version today. Very easy. So let's get started. Okay, let's cook the macaroni first. Meanwhile, we can make the white sauce. Guys, this is the basic white sauce. I'm using 2.5 cups of milk here. Add 3 tablespoons of butter. Three tablespoons of plain flour. Simmer until thickened. At this point, add salt and pepper. Mix well. Now put some oil into the pan. Let it heat. Add onions, green chilies, garlic. Saute for a while. Now add carrots. Add salt, chili flakes. Saute for about 5 minutes. Now you can put in cooked macaroni and mix all together. Pour white sauce, mozzarella cheese. Give it a mix until everything is well cooperated. Finally, add some thyme. My mac and cheese is ready now.